I'm Gopichand Davani. My student number is 21408359. So I would like to explain COVID-19 detection by using CNN network. So content introduction, convolution neural network and TensorFlow Keras identify COVID-19 patient by using chest, chest X-ray image. So introduction. So in 2019, one deadly virus spread in Wuhan state of China. So it spread all over world and very fastly. So this disease has a lot of symptoms like throat infection, cold, cough, fever. So it's mainly affect on the diabetes and asthma people who have a weak and old peoples. So in this research, I'm explaining the application of deep learning by using CNN technology by detect with just X-ray images. So convolution network. CNN network is a neural network. So it's describe about image recognition and a classification about normal normal X-ray and COVID X-ray. So in convolution network, we have some convolution layer, strides, padding, pooling layer, and fully connected layer. So TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is a one library file of Python. So it's a large scale machine learning library. So next, Keras. Keras for data augmentation for CNN model. So data augmentation means it's pull the maximum parameter from the original image. So convolution layer. So in convolution layer, they pull the maximum pixels and parameter from the image. So it will reduce the compression cost by reducing the number of parameters to learn from the basic image. So downsampling, it's reduce the image pixel and dimensionally height and breadth. So with overall what they require the finally parameter. So activating functions. In this convolution neural network, so I have used ReLU activation function and softmax. So ReLU is a precise linear function. It will that output will be input directly if it is possible, or else it will be zero. So it is a one-to-one mathematical operation. So next, softmax. Softmax is used to find the probability for the both classes if image is and if any image is whether that positive or negative. So flatten layer. Flatten layer is operated to the dense of the image. So I would like to explain the program. So this is a program COVID detection using CNN. So I have used libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Keras. So Keras for the data augmentation. So TensorFlow is a Python library file. So here my data set stored in my drive. So visualize the extra images. So here I generate the normal images and COVID images. So this is a normal and this is a COVID image. So data generated by using Keros. So Keras is for the data augmentation. So here I select the rescale and horizontal flip to validation. So here using finally I found the 76 images belongs to class 2 for accuracy and 18 image belongs to validation. So using TensorFlow sequential model. So here I use convolution 2D, 32 filters, 3 by 3, and activation function is ReLU. And input shape is 200 200 3 3 means it's a RGB. We can use RGB for color filters and gray also. So meanwhile I will use 64 filters, activate function, ReLU, and finally max pooling. So here flatten is operating for the dense. So in the next line, dense is there. So dense layer fulfill the connect to the convolution layer. So next, so we have a here sequential model and sequential summary. So finally, sequential summary we will get dense. So 44 lakhs 33,696. So these are total parameters. I have trainable those all parameters. So here's I'm running the sequences with 15 pods. So it's running. It will take little bit time because it see the value of accuracy is increasing and value of loss is decreasing. Here you can see the value of loss gradually it's decreasing, sometimes somewhere it increasing. So value of accuracy it's gradually increasing, here 9.44, and here also accuracy is 9.4, and losses is when compared to first one is 0.42 and now is 1.2, 0.12, and losses sometimes it's gradual increase. That means its model is working. So we are getting value accuracy values and losses also reducing. So it's almost 13. So value is zero point zero 0.06 and 1.4, 1.3. Yeah, you can see overall value of accuracy is increasing and value of loss is decreasing. So here it's a graph. I plot that with that values. I have graph. So it's increasing. It's decreasing. Finally, it's decreased. So it's a model of loss, and here is a model of accuracy. So I run the model of accuracy. So it increasing. So this model of valuation. So here training accuracy and valuation, we will get training accuracy and valuation accuracy. The training accuracy is 86.84 percentage, and validation accuracy is 88.89. So that means it's working. So the accuracy is increasing means the detection of image and parameters are it's working. So here classification report. So here we have a recall 0.92, F1 is 80 percentage, and here I have given 18 images. In that 18 images, no, we got a recall is 92 percentage, and F1 is 80 percentage. So so here I'm explaining with that one in single image for prediction. This module is working or not. So I took a one COVID image. So I'm running the process. See, so I give a COVID image. So I got a result is COVID. So this is the technology using deep learning by using CNN network for how the patient is, whether is they had a COVID or not. So thank you so much.